there was nothing. Until God said, now is the time. And suddenly, something. So many things, stars and seas, birds and trees, and so there was creation. Until God said, now is the time. And suddenly, a man, a woman, shaped in his image, made from the earth in his breath, separated by sin nonetheless. And so, there were humans. Until God said, now is the time. And suddenly, a savior, a baby, a son, sent to reunite us and to save everyone. Until God says again, now is the time. On Sunday morning, the alarm goes off. Working a 9 to 5, but at what cost? Staring at our phones, looking for a picture to post and doze off. Just to let everyone think we're all right. All the while wondering, is there more to life? We're walking out paces with all the other stranger faces, checking off the things that make us good people. Treat others equal, don't be deceitful, but is there more to life? Just like before, we can hear God implore. Now is the time for hope and connection. Enough for seclusion, rejection. Now is the time for resurrection, for starting over. Enough for the shame. Now is the time to shout it, proclaim, I believe there is more. What are you waiting for? It's yours and it's mine. Now is the time for more than just me. Now it's time for us and we. Now it's time for God's family. You can't find it alone, and it goes beyond things that are known. Now is the time to see you are loved. No more pressure, no measure, we're better together. Now is the time to share tragedies and victories with others. No more wondering, no more wandering. Here is only belonging. Now is the time.